Hey everyone, welcome back to Awesomer Kids. Today I'm super excited to bring you this multifunctional cash register. It includes a basket of goods, a working conveyor belt, a real calculator, and play money. Unfortunately, it doesn't come with batteries though, so you'll need 2 AA batteries. Here's what it looks like taken out of the box. Over to the left is the conveyor belt. I went ahead and put batteries in this so it's ready to go. When you press open, the cash register pops out. Here's the volume button. And here's a mic. This is where you can scan your credit card. And over here's the product scanner. Here's the groceries it comes with. We have a box of biscuit cookies. Next, we have another box of cookies. This time it's strawberry flavored. To wash all that down, we have some orange juice. Here's a can of cream. And here's a bottle of purified water.
Stay hydrated, kids!
This set also comes with a green and blue grocery basket.
Ooh, show me the money!
Here's a bunch of coins. Let's go ahead and pop them out. Here's a 1-cent euro, 2-cent euro, 10-cent euro, and 2 euros. Cool, we get our very own credit card. We also get some cash. This is 5 euros, 10 euros, 20 euros, 50 euros, 100 euros, 200 euros, and 500 euros.
We're rich!
This is the key for our register. Let's go organize our money.
Whoa, we have too many coins, it won't even close.
I'll move some over here.
Problem solved.
Time to go shopping. Let's see, I need some water, some juice, and some cream for my tea. That's it for now. Let's go ring it up. Whoops! Yikes! The bottle opened up.
Don't worry, I'll have someone come take care of it. Check, check. Testing, testing. Spill on aisle 1. I repeat, spill on aisle 1. Got it.
And here's a new water bottle. Okay, so first we have the water bottle. That's going to be 1 euro. Next is a can of cream. That's going to be 3. And lastly is the juice. And that's €5. Your total comes out to €9 even. Okay, you'll be paying with credit card? Alright, you're all approved. Thank you so much for shopping with us. Here's your groceries. Have a good day. And I'm back again for more. This time I need some snacks. I'll take the strawberry cookies. Ooh, and some biscuit cookies. Let's go pay for it. The biscuit cookies are €5. Let's move the items up the conveyor belt. Let's see how much these are. $4.60. $9.60. So 10 minus $9.60 means I owe you 40 cents. Thank you for shopping with us. And I'm back. This time I need stuff for breakfast. Cereal. I'll take some milk and some maple syrup for my pancakes. That's all for now. Let's go check out. First up is the maple syrup. That's gonna be $3.50. And the milk is actually on sale today, and it's $3.75. Ooh, great choice on the cereal. That's $4.25.
Cash or credit?
Credit? Okay. You're all set. Enjoy your breakfast. Well, it's time to close out for the night. Let's lock up the register.
Check, check. Hello, valued customers. The store is closed now. Please make your way over to the available registers to check out. Thank you.
Well, this was a lot of fun, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and please subscribe to watch more. Thanks!